Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again, and if today is your first time seeing me here, kindly hit the subscribe button, leave a thumbs up and share the video. Yes, thank you. And today we are talking about 3 female Ghanaian acts who have taken it upon each other to throw jabs at themselves. Charlie, the beef stew, it make hot. The beef stew is hot. So me, I know we talk plenty, you make go. Okay, so before I begin everything, this whole beef thing started when Sister Debbie recorded the track My Sweet Ex or Sweet Ex to Fela Makafui, and out of nowhere Sister Fia also jumped in it with the WMT song, and this sparkled everything up. This created this whole beef thing. So you make we go. Sister Fia, we all know Sister Fia, right? She dropped a video, I think a few weeks ago, titled WMT, and this song was actually a jab to Sister Debbie. And she came all over social media crying, blah blah blah, saying that she didn't jab anyone, and she tried explaining a few of her lines in the song. And Charlie, see, if you not make ready for beef, make you not come beef somebody, or make you not do beef song. You do track, the title with WMT. Now you can't cry all over social media, say, you know they do, like, you know with this track. What did they try to tell you? Like, you can't whet our appetites for beef and come and cry on social media and tell us you weren't beefing anybody. Nah, it be normal track you do. Like, she has deleted the video. I wish I downloaded this video before she deleted it. It was all over Twitter and IG, but unfortunately I can't get hold of it, so we will take them. So bro, Charlie, you know if you can't do this, you know, if it be this, mention the person in name, then we move. You know, we say, okay, well, I've already reacted to the WMT song, and I'll leave the link down in the description so that you can check it out if you haven't. So yeah, that's our Sister Fia. Then Eno, Charlie, I call her the queen of rap, the rap goddess in Ghana. Like, she the rap us plenty of the male acts, and we all know it. She the rap, like, so Eno had this WMT song where then Sister Fia they try tell anybody or Sister Fia was claiming to be the best female rapper in Ghana, and Eno, of course, everybody knows Eno is the best in Ghana yet. Eno heard this song and she came out with, and the title of the song is Rap Goddess. I haven't reacted to that one yet, so let's take a look. So you see this girl, like, see the intro self, that they man, Charlie.
Ababawa we siswa wo hombare seti sheni yere.
Oh, but why teachers them wise them? Or say Ababawa we siswa hombare say teacher ni yere. Why teachers them wise? Them body be barrier now. And no.
Jenu kwai mo penama ria we la twinitie pie.
If I say I would dissect annoying song, the video go long, so you we just watch out.
And tontum si be ma hwe wa ho a wode nyansa netenete esihwegimifuo no ode ahopepra to poncha je enim guase.
So ode ahopepra to punch aje enim guase. Sister Fia came out to drop the WMT song, like operating on or drop here, and people were kind of, I mean, you know, Ghanaian bloggers took the song and making their own stories of it, and she came out to come and say, oh, any beef na, blah blah blah. So we're praying on home. Akwaye beef song. Afi ideba mnenime gwasi.
I'm laughing like killer. Hype lyrics on the beat. Man may feature mo ho akoma ni mato man beef mo yen so asemo so ahwe mo prene hwehwe ni mo adwuma ya sika ni mo te ho na yedi mo enkwanjo a anu simbia ka bi hwe rapper yefo mapatafo mpoto ho hye mo manyom to asa manum. If you can't change the game, don't play at all for here. Band of rapper mo need am so sa abakan mo ya henko ahwe se mesi mo so sa abakan me bubo mo dimpo na ya bobo madake anu gbe gba so mo hu mi asemo hu kakai the fact say corona camp not the mean say kwasi asem be fa me feature. If you ask for it. Me the bema on your no. Me see where me my man to my situation. So to all those who are my downfall, fuck you, I'm the only female rap god.
Yes, and it's true. She's the only female rap god. Charlie, she talk plenty lines. Like I said, if I say I go dissect, we go keep. So you make we go.
I said that me to them, we are connected the two I didn't cry a baby pong. Me a fresh pan, but I'm still street. Watch left and right before you cross me. Miss a real reservice, I'm not cause somebody cook beef. Your mouth where they force me. I never went from interview to interview, bragging to the world that I'm the best. Found myself in a race full of men, and I still rose on to the truth cause I'm the best. And that is
so she said one thing. She found herself in the midst of men, and she still rose. Like, it's true. When Eno was coming up, there were plenty more rappers, but still this girl climb her way. At least she not rich though, but we still recognize or we still know her to be a female rapper. Like she did rap. That be Eno.
How I became the king of queens. See me name on but pray for who is the queen. If I was a dog, then the figure be my bitch. No female artist can fuck with me cause I love dick.
So this was Eno's reply to Sister Fia's WMT song. Sister Fia was claiming to be the best, and she just showed her small, say nah, Uba and chair. So we did the rap game inside, keep relax, men pro. To the third person, Frida Rhymes. Frida Rhymes also came out with a song titled KMT in reply to Sister Fia's WMT. And Charlie Atayasef, girls then beef. Well, that one I don't react to me yet, so you make me watch. Charlie, me, if you talk about Shatawale, I go ball. Nano pa ever home. Okay, so this be where the job the emotional singers have more than the rappers. Sister Fia, we all know say you be singer. All of a sudden you drop WMT, you the rap. So what did they try to tell you? So this job straight to Sister Fia, emotional singers, I feel they're mostly more than the rappers. She get bars, like she get almost throw the shades. If we get the specs, like shades, spectacles. Nice. What I said, who they drop this song, then go online, go cry. Emotional singers. Sister Fia, you can't drop this song. Now you go online, they go cry, say, the band. Charlie. Now if you say she the fear or like me, this thing it about me. Frida Rhymes, we all know you rap. We know say you rap. Okay, maybe some people don't know you because you don't reach that level yet. But a few of us who know you, we all know say you be Frida Rhymes, you rap, you do this, you do that. But okay, well maybe it be self-confidence, but still you go fit always say unisize. But more family to Nicki, like Nicki Minaj, really. Okay, so this be Frida Rhymes in reply to Sister Fia's WMT diss track, and I must say she gets some bars though. She did rap. Frida Rhymes the way of rap. She did rap. So Sister Fia, she didn't sleep. She no bed. Just say I don't know if she didn't want to come cry again. So then she came out again to release a diss track, another diss track again, this time combining Frida Rhymes and Eno, or it diss them two up for the track inside. And the track's title is You Got Nerves. So you make me watch that one. That chick, no, the two Fia to sell Vodafone chip, no. Eno isn't a slim chick. So obviously, Netunya Fia. Then Frida Rhymes be slim. So Frida Rhymes to sell Vodafone chip. Wow. No, this one be to who? I say she dey do better than Sarah rapper now. What she said in Beef Burger. Aye. No. But on a roll, you then comparing Sister Fia and Eno. Sister Fia get weight past Eno, and I'm I no good. So if you are dissing somebody's weight, you should check, at least you should check yours before, because maybe Eno big person, maybe Sister Fia big person, but on the road you two all day the same skill top. You know, this thing, it doesn't make sense, because how can you compare yourself to Queen Solomon? Next year was someone called Diasa. You Sister Fia than Sister Fia than Eno. The difference between Sister Fia and Eno could be like 2 or 3%. Like it be similar, you could be similar. So when you tell Eno say make you go the assassin, you figure Eno big pass you, or like I didn't mean give me my eyes or something. Cause I say them two and then they want skill top. Yeah. Controversy going around there saying that Medical wrote these lines for Sistefia, and this like the track and Kasa, the vibe, the rhythm, the punches, it get Medical a vibe. If you know Medical style, this style you should see like some DNA of Medical for inside. So that be the controversy if they go around right there, where we already try to figure out if it's true or not. Okay, so Sistefia came back stronger. I don't know if stronger should be the word I should use, but she came back and she dropped this song where, wow, she the first mom, but still the controversy of it being the song being wrote by Medical and all that still they happen. So we can't give her all the credit yet, but she fought. The presentation was nice, the punches, it was so. So Eno too didn't sleep. Eno, in fact, Eno was restless. Charlie, she had to do something. Charlie, Sistefia, you singer, you know if you can't do this song, give a whole rapper way, she could just be there like that. No, she for reply this above. So Eno also brought the track, or Eno also came out with a reply to Sistefia's You Got Nerves song, and she titled it Argument Done. Argument Done. In fact, she killed it. She made the beef stew the jump. The beef stew started jump with the bob. So you maybe watch that one too.
Me manchi a me dream me ho na me nyankra say yesi obi kon adowo.
So she says she did in somewhere where she hears say somebody obi kon adowo, somebody go like die. So
mother of all rappers, the rap goddess who be samina mama wa my bate and hun share me dia seminam me kasa yen so yema she say pram and ye so tio mu and I will so tio go strike and na me hian and na chia yam timo ma ne fela no mama men kantam mumu bi ani ho beti me ne me aham o right and me say the lyrics ya wak ye.
Whoever the writer is, if it's Medical or I don't know, whoever the writer is, I know they tell you say your lyrics be whack.
Pensaji asra sa ko trensem ajemon sem bas ba ma hodesem be bar run drop bar run wundi bar run this is bar run me si munya na tin na
now the wilding now they confuse yes no
as ba ma hodesem be bar run drop bar run wundi bar run this is bar run me si munya na tin na
Charlie, this girl she no get you crowd. Bar run Charlie me tissue. My name be Eno Baroni, so she dey try use the Baroni take and a Baroni ba. And that's
mo pesa mo yesa me fa hwehwe besi wani be hu sa me na wo hwe me me twa romance so me be bold doggy straight.
Hey, on the child romance so be bold doggy straight. Hey.
Next time what to be far but you break name tree I will no food you for one.
Hey. Nenchi I will look at you form. And no. This is if you have been Nenchi where you boobs the tree form.
Check your weight, me know when you're not yourself, so nobody shaming.
Hey, she talk that thing. Or say, only no na diasa. So I know they try balance the thing because you mean that you are with big. So if you they try tell me say make me more go diasa. You're not being real, because you big, so we two are for good at
Shout outs to my heavy load queens. Nyamwa want to take my dress, I show my hips. If you wanna maintain a big booty, she and me and who matching a me mouth tip. I see on your rap out, so she let it make sense. Your career never make better. How you feel make sense? And God sent.
So you see, now you talk something way now, you know they use the same thing against you. Sistefia was like on your rapper, so she's not trying to make sense. And also Katrin, I know he's trying to tell her, oh, career, make it out of your career. How can you make sense? Boss, my nigga!
I'm a perfume from God, it's all honey with incense. Yeah, the attitude, the amount, call you Mustafa Komama, me with your chest with your hunter. Or be trying a new Sam the master, but to be trying me and non chest with your rapper. If I What's your abundance? You will not him. Nya dia wa better than dentam. Two pa wuti when you be a rapping. Want to mean as a meda would Jimmy be US in chain. So who be home poetra? They are crew many be natural no. Crew many in the power brand not gonna get one the message to my jano. Hey, your punch is medically weak, don't
Your punch is medically weak. This be like punch, man. This be punch. So NOC Sister Fia in punch be medically weak. So everybody they talk say medical way, right? The lines give Sister Fia. So her punches are medically weak. Bas.
Try me, I swear I am strong, man. Oba, what punches I seen you now you're weak. What you raw? I see a whole baby tread. When I decide to take revenge, even the devil was set to learn. Me kimiti anama makadem. I say you go so mo hunye na yelem. Shit, rap yo biasi boy in a troye. Young boy, way pen as me troye. Who I could drop a face here. Na men show nyansa on some four for me dry. Bema koto ben kwa shot, but you to shot. You throw shot, now I throw shot. Play your life shot. Yes, and to be a cinema. My swami me I see between here with the name Pusuma. Male rappers, but running them a king. Female rappers, but running them a king. Rappers, a job rap, gonna rap. No man, I met so many money track I can promise. Let that drop. I have lyrics on the beat.
The whole word there, it be no get you. Oh, Charlie, this be like if somebody like Patapa, they did somebody like Sarkodie. Charlie, it be like the whole thing be unbalanced. So like end for relax more, give up. But no, she murder. Oh man, and no murder the girl. But we are hoping to see new beef. Like we hope say Sister Fia will come with another reply. Charlie, this beef stew, the jump, fire day inside. More shit. So this with the 3 female artists, then they the beef stew inside. Then they swim for the beef stew inside. And no Sister Fia, then Frida Rhymes. Charlie, this is the words they get for me. Personally, me I believe say this whole thing is an orchestrated thing. This whole thing is a planned thing because there's always beef between the male rapper, strongman, medical, Sarkodie, Asem. Like it's always beef between the boys. So this time around, the girls also want to show that Charlie, they've also got game in the bob. So that be how me I see her. Because they make sense. They really know they make sense. Okay, so if you are still with me to the end of this video, I want to say a big thank you for watching, for liking, for commenting, for sharing, anything else. I want to say a big thank you to you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you in the next video. My name is Ralph. Bye bye.